All right, good evening, everybody. Back at the hive, put the top super on about 10 days ago, and been a hot day here in Georgia. Bees have been super duper active. They've really been out doing things, and it's been really hot and lots of commotion there. But it's been about 10 days since I put this, maybe 7, 8 days since I put this top super on. I really want to get in there and I want to look at it and check it out, see if they're doing anything with that. A couple of things that I kind of want to check out, I want to learn too, is I want to see, I just finished cutting grass, I'm hot, I'm sweaty. I'm going to try not to do a lot of smoke. I'm going to see if that makes a difference in whether they get aggressive or not, if it's certain things you wear, certain smells or anything like that. So like I said, I just finished cutting the grass out here. I've actually been around this hive with the lawnmower a little bit, and I'm a little concerned about that, but I kind of want to see how that works out and see if they get a little more of an aggressive nature or kind of stay woosah. I got the smoke behind me. I'm not going to smoke them yet. I've not smoked the hive. I do have smoke going behind me. I haven't smoked myself so much. But so I'm going to get in here and I'm just going to, what I want to do is I'm just going to take this top off. I'm just going to take the inner of the cover lid off, and I just want to open, I'm probably going to pull 1 or 2 frames. Just see if they're putting comb up here, if they're starting to build this up. I quit feeding, so anything they put up here, they brought from down in the brood chamber here, the bottom super here, or they brought it in from outside. So they've been really active today, like I said. So give me a second, let me get this together, and I'm just gonna pop the top, pull 1 or 2 real frames real quick, see if they decide that they want to sting the hell out of me, and change out the shades, and see how this goes. All right, here we go. Bare naked bee wrestling. Stop this. Can't fix that. That just aggravates me to death. All right, sorry. All right, bare naked bee wrestling. Okay, like I said, we're fixing to go in here. Not gonna do a whole lot. Like I said, I just kind of want to see what's going on. Like I said, it's hot, sweaty, got a lot of funk going on. It happens, my guy. That's what's going on. Bees are super active. Seem a little bit of, but I want to kind of see how they react to me with a little odor going on. Not really gonna smoke them down much. And really all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the top lid off, the inner cover off, and look at a couple frames to see if they're combing it out and see what they're doing with it. Not going to get deep in here tonight. And they're little ants, so I kind of want to, honestly, I want to see how they feel me out and see kind of how they react to me. They start getting aggressive. They say they start doing this little bump thing. They'll start kind of bumping you before they start tagging you. So I'm going to see if I can not experience that or experience it, one or the other. I have smoke over here going. Just in case I need to smoke them down to kind of move stuff back around, get them down a little bit when I put these lids back on. Like I said, quit feeding them, so let's see what happens real quick. We might experience Woody's, did you see that? We may experience Woody's first sting. So here we go. These guys are, there's a million underneath this lid right here. We'll go ahead and pull this lid off real quick. See how ornery they get. There's inside of the lid cover. Put that on down. I'm wondering how my pheromones, how my smell's gonna affect them. Inner lid cover right here, it's already got comb. They've already got purplish, crapolis stuff, whatever. They've already got them doing. They are all over this thing. The population of this thing is exploding. This thing is just slammed full of bees right now. I've actually went underneath, looked at the screen on the bottom. They're all coming in for tonight. It is, let me show you real quick. I'll let you check this out. They are busy. This place, this Mountain Sweet Honey Company, has just excellent bee work. Look at this. I'm on box number 3 and they are just nailing it. They're full. Gonna pop this lid. I'm not gonna do, like I said, I'm not gonna do a whole lot. They seem right now, to be honest with you, not to be bothering me too bad about not smoking them too much, and I'm gonna try to put the camera over there, but I don't think it's gonna work so well. So they're really not bothering me too much right now as far as maybe the smell that's going on. I had a couple bump me, but I think that maybe I'm standing right in front of the flight pattern coming in, and they're really coming in for the night. So I'll pop this top lid real quick and kind of get a peeky poo down inside of here and see what's going on. Nice and gently. Don't want to upset the bee population. I'm more curious about what's going on in here and exactly how they're going to react to me being a little funky after working in the yard. And they've really glued this thing down. You can see here, there's a ton of them on the inner cover. They're really gluing it down. A few squish bees there. My condolences, guys. Godspeed to you. We're doing good with that, though. Like I said, I really just want to walk in here and pull one or two of these frames and just see if they're filling. I can tell you right now, they're filling comb. I can tell you this because there is that perforated stuff all across the top. This thing has been sealed down. So I'm just going to pull one or so outside frames just to get a little peeky poo. Like I said, I was really kind of just feeling out how they did with the whole body odor kind of. Seems to be working so far. Turning the bees on my back. Ah! Oh. Not a bee. So we can pull one frame. Drop this side here. I'm going to scooch over. I'm going to scooch over so you can see me. There we go. If I get stung, I want you to see it in action. So we're just going to pull one out. Get on look and move. And this is usually the busy box side. Oh man. This is the busy box side. Now, you can see in here, there's no eggs being laid. So she's not up here laying eggs. Queenie, that's who I'm talking about, the she. She is not up here laying right now. You can look right down inside. You don't see little white dots sticking out or nothing like that. But what you can see, what you can tell by this, is that they are building comb up here. They are building combage. They're doing it. They're doing the thing. Little heads inside of there. Look at him. He's shy. Don't want to talk to you right now. He's busy doing, I'm sorry, she's doing busy, doing busy stuff. And look around. But this is the outside frame. And like I said, I'm really trying to put them back in the same order, in the same relation. Start reading about that. That's kind of interesting. So right now I feel like they're not really bothered by my El Fresco Cento of grass cutting. So it's gonna be pretty cool. So I'm going to put this one back in, kind of a little peeky-roo around here. I don't see any mites. I haven't seen, man, they're just, look at their heads. Look, they are just filling this stuff, filling it up. I quit feeding, so all this is just nothing but what they've gathered. They're filling it up. So I'm going to slide this one back in here. Like I said, I'm not going to get crazy tonight. I'm not going to get crazy tonight and try to break this whole box down. Basically, all I'm doing is looking, see if they're putting comb up here. And honestly, I was just a little bit nosy. And I wanted to see how it'd go with almost little to no smoke. I really didn't even smoke. Smoker's sitting over there. Zero smoke. I didn't smoke it before I started the camera. I just went in, raw dog. And like I said, just came in from cutting the grass. Stinky. It's like, check out what the pheromone situation is. If there's something good or bad about it. I'm impressed. They really don't really care about me right now. May get crazy. I might try to pull one on this side real quick just to give it a general 50-50. So I just pulled from this side. Like you saw it was just slam full. They were just storing like mad up there. Quit feeding 10 days ago. This top box was there 10 days. Started as a plastic frame. Now they're coming out. They're building it out. And obviously they're finding enough material around here to do that. So let me check this one last little thing through. I'm gonna look real quick at this. It is just as full all the way across. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reverse. I'm going to put the lid back on. Try not to squish any bugs, any bees. Try not to get stung. Dude, these things are active. They are literally all around me. They're not giving me a care right now. So inner cover's going to go back on. Entrance side down. Nice and smooth execution. Like I said, I was going to use a little bit of smoke if I needed to. We could be balanced. But I think I can get all these guys to kind of lay low. off the rims. They are actually already kind of there, so I'm still doing real gentle. Give time to Gucci and move. And they do. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the top back on. Like I said, these guys are busy doing their thing, really not giving me too much of a worry. So I'm really happy with that. I was a little concerned about, actually, to be honest with you, a little bit of a science experiment. I'm fixing to do something crazy. I'm gonna knock the outside of this lid. I'm gonna knock it over here on the ground to get them out of the top of this lid, because I will squish them to death. There's a bunch of them in this lid. So I'm gonna knock this lid over here, get them kind of off of it. A little aggressive, but I'd rather do that than squish a bunch of these little guys. Actually, they're kind of shaking off. They're kind of flying out now. So I think I can gently put this on and do it without squishing little guys, but it's nice and slow, give them time to get where they need to go. It's a good little ratty-tat-tat. Give them time. And sit it on there nice and gently. So, I think it's a great success. Opened up the top box, they're combing out, doing all the things that they're storing, happy honey, nectar, pollen, all that stuff. I didn't get stung again. 0 count. And no smoke and smelling funky. Thank y'all. Stay tuned.